Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rishita and in this video we are going to talk about no, it's not that, but somehow related. If you want to manifest, I've also got my iced coffee with me, so grab a snack or coffee with yourself and watch the video till the end. Do not skip any part. I would rather recommend you to watch it in 1.5x. In this video, I'm gonna share 5 tips which has helped me, and the 5th one is really important. If you're not following the 5th one, I'm sorry, you're not gonna get anywhere with all those mehnat you do. All the things in this video are gonna be my personal experience and how I perceive manifestation. I also attracted some bad things in my life. I will be sharing that.
1, 2, 3, I'm
So things like pillow method, whisper method, and I don't know how many methods people have come up with. These are all straight up bullshit and they're bagging views out of people who are desperate. Manifestation is a lifestyle and the positive mindset you carry. I believe it is all about having trust in the divine, and whatever is happening in your life currently, maybe it's not looking that good to you right now, but it's gonna fall down like a puzzle piece and you will be the one thanking God. It's having the uttermost faith that the divine will never do any bad to you. He is always there to protect you. If you keep your mind on a straight path, it's pretty simple and it's not like a rocket science. Everything is energy in this world and whatever you put out, you get it back. So that's how it works, and let's move on to the tips. Number 1 and the most important is letting go. Letting go of the past, your toxic partner, or the job which doesn't give a shit about you, and everything which drains your mental well-being, because until and unless you don't feel good, you're not going to attract any more good. What you focus on, it grows. Maybe you're focusing on the negativity right now and you keep on attracting the negative things in your life and you keep on wondering why is this happening. So this is known as a vicious cycle. Negative happening, you keep thinking about that and you keep attracting these things. So get out of that toxic cycle and maybe think about your life for once. The next is believing. Believing that you deserve it. For example, you want to get into your dream college, but at the back of your mind you keep on thinking that मेरे तो इतने percentage आए ही नहीं है. How will I get into my dream college? Not only believing, I think you have to be ready for it mentally and physically. For example, you want to get into a loving relationship, but you keep on going back to your ex. How the hell do you think universe would give you a loving relationship if you're not making space for that person? In the process of manifesting, life will throw you so many obstacles to test whether you are ready for it or not. Sometimes life will get very difficult until it becomes very good. So have faith in the divine, and as I said, he would never let anything bad happen to you. Number 3, and everybody's favorite, vision board. There has been a trend of vision board going on in the starting of 2025 and I'm seeing a lot of people doing it wrong. I'm not saying that they're setting unrealistic expectation, but those pictures are not resonating with you. In a video, I have seen a girl speaking about how she did not get even a Tanishq photo shoot and she has put Versace photo shoot. If you haven't done any single photo shoots in your life, put a small business photo shoot in your vision board and see it every day. Maybe you will come across some people who wants you as a model. You really have to be specific on what you want, not what others are following. If you know, I have put follow your plan, not your mood thing in my vision board, and I feel it resonates with me because yeah, I do tend to follow my mood sometimes. Number 4, and my personal favorite, act like them. Act like them means act like your higher self. Now imagine, like right now, close your eyes, imagine your higher self. Your higher self has it all. The things which are in your vision board, they are living the life. How would they react to a situation? Will they cause a drama or will they respond in a much calmer way than you do? So basically what I do is I try to act like my higher self whenever I am in a stressful situation. I know इतनी जल्दी नहीं आएगा ये. It takes practice, but when you start doing it, number 1, it will make you better. Number 2, it will help you get things faster. You are signaling to the universe that I am ready. I am that person. So what are you waiting for, universe? To the 5th and the most important one, which if you don't do it, you're not getting anything you want. The last step is taking aligned actions. I will say this again and again. You will not get anything until and unless you put in the work and take some actions which aligns with your desires. So you might be thinking, what is the use of manifestation if you have to put in the work? My dear, you have to take some aligned action. For example, I will tell you my story, how I got my iPhone at the age of 18. So back in 2022, I was in high school and I was also creating content for YouTube. No, the channel is no more today, it's dead. While I was creating content with my Android, I faced so many difficulties, and seeing other creators create videos with their iPhones, it made me feel like it's a necessity, which it actually is. Comparing the camera quality, I can never go back to Android again. So that time I used to have a diary, not like an actual vision board. In the diary's first page, I used to stick the pictures of my vision, and I used to call it my vision board. I will show you the picture here. Right after my high school, I knew that I did not only want to do my college, I also wanted to earn, maybe part-time, but life had different plans for me. I also wanted to earn so that I can buy myself an iPhone and eventually start creating content. So right after my schooling, I had this opportunity of becoming a flight attendant at Indigo. And at that time they were also hiring, so I gave an interview and I got selected and I started my job. Before starting my job, I had this 3 months ka training, and right after completing my training, my dad gifted me an iPhone 14. For your information, I am not just a high school graduate, I was also doing my college alongside my job. So it's an online college and it's very flexible. So how do I know that my dad did not only gift it to me out of nowhere, but it's my own manifestation? Because I took some aligned action for myself. To buy an iPhone, what do you need? Would my dad had not bought it for me, I would have got it by the second month of my earning. Later on, I wanted an iPad and I got it for me, and then I wanted a vanity for myself, and those things I got it from my adult money. You know what? I don't care तुम जितना भी बोल लो that money doesn't buy you happiness, but every time I sit in my vanity to do my skincare or makeup, or whenever I open my iPad to watch a movie, or when I'm shooting a video with my phone, I feel so happy. I love the things which makes my life easier or fun. So that is how you take aligned action. I've also manifested so many good things in my life. My best friend, my dream relationship, and am I making it official? I don't know, maybe. So moving on, I'm gonna tell you about the bad things which I manifested. So when I was in 6th grade, my sister got myopia and she had to use glasses. And I don't know why glasses fascinated me so much. I used to visualize wearing it and pushing it towards my nose. I was literally acting, and I didn't know the M of manifestation at that time. And I also got myopia, and now I wear glasses, guys. I don't know who does that for themselves, but yeah, I am my own enemy. That was it for the video, guys. My iced coffee is still not finished and I'm shocked. Anyways, that was it for the video, and if you're still watching it, then please consider subscribing to my channel and help me reach 1000 subscribers. So see you in the next video. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.